Guys, it's almost 2 o'clock, not quite, and you can see how little sun we get. It's sun from about 10 till 2, and actually it's more like 10 till 12 you get good sun, and then after that, like, we're making half of what we were earlier, making maybe 2,500 watts right now. We get shade from that tree at the moment, and earlier on in the day we had shade from that tree. I want to lop the tops off. And those suckers, that one's kind of scary. It's close to power lines, so we'll see. But I think we're gonna do the test, the capacity test, not on my home system though, because I use it and rarely do I get fully charged. In the next about 2 months, my system will struggle just to provide me with power. Looks like I'm getting some shade right there. Man alive, it's crazy. So what we're gonna do for the 3,000 watt reliable giveaway, those panels are completely covered in snow. They are making no power. We're gonna go inside. The battery is cold. Everything is very cold in here. Sorry about that, somebody just pulled in the driveway. All right, so the trailer, it's a little bit messy. I've had multiple people stay in it, and the floors are cold, so they kept their shoes on. Shut this thing. So this trailer is plugged into my big off-grid system. So the lights in here are powered from my off-grid system from my house. I'm going to take my shoes off because I don't want to get this all wet. We are not charging. The batteries are full. Just shy of full. They're 0.4 of a volt shy of full, but they're pretty close. So, oh, I don't have the heater in here. I'm going to have to go get the heater. The electric heater, it's going to be a 1,500 watt heater. We're going to run it on that inverter and that 4 kilowatt Chevy Volt pack. So that's rated at 4 kilowatts, but this is about 90% efficient, around there. Plus, this is a used battery, so it might not be 4 kilowatts. Plus, what else? Oh, and the batteries are very cold. Like, it's sub-zero conditions. So, you're going to have to guess how many kilowatts AC after the inverter it's going to put out. I'm not going to check it DC. That's too much work, to be honest. I probably could do it through the BMS somehow. If I figure that out, I might do the DC side, but I'll let you guys know. For now, we're going to go AC. How many AC kilowatts is this 4,000 watt hour pack going to put out? We're going to find out. And you guys are going to guess. I'm not going to put how many it actually puts out in this video. You're going to see everything. I'm not going to let you see the kilowatt meter at all. It's going to shut down. You guys are going to put your guesses in. And the next video, I'm going to release who is the closest and so forth. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next clip. It's been a few minutes. We're running. Not going to show you that kilowatt count. 117-ish volts on the output, 47.6 volts under load. Charger is off. I'll be shoveling the roof off after this test so it can charge back up. Also, I want to see if those batteries can completely heat this trailer up. This should run, I'm thinking, for about 2 hours at least. We'll see. We'll know by the kilowatt meter how long it ran for, but we're going to leave this for a while, and I'll come back in a bit. Great. So I am back. Keep that out of the screen so you guys can't see it, but we stopped at 41 volts. We are not completely dead on this battery pack. So that's another thing to take into consideration. It did shut off at 41 volts. That leaves some energy left in those cells so that you can use it for your guess. I got the kilowatt meter right there. And that, I'm going to base everything off that. How many kilowatts I got out of the system. It has warmed up in here like crazy. It's been off for a while because I went out. But yeah, so we got the results. Place your guesses, guys. Oh, by the way, any edited comments will not be counted. It's got to be the original comment without edits. And one guess per person. And Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and good luck.